Hey everyone, so I just want to come and show you all how I make my veggie lettuce wraps. And so I have fresh lettuce, harvested fresh lettuce, and then our veggies is cucumbers, olives, tomatoes, and onions. And then this is cooked chickpeas, lentils, and quinoa. So what I'm going to do with this cooked blend is put some chickpea flour in there, mold it up, and we're going to make some patties. So this is like this is a veggie patty alternative. This is a patty alternative. This is a burger alternative, or a lettuce wrap that we're about to make. So let's go ahead and put some flour and mold our veggies together. All right, let's go ahead and put our chickpea flour in here and mold everything together. All right, so I added my chickpea flour. Now I'm going to stir everything up. And also as I'm stirring everything up, I'm going to mash everything down. If you have something similar to this bottle, or you can use a food processor. This is for the people who don't have a food processor or anything of that nature. You can just mash everything down to form a patty. All right, so I formed the patties. All I did was just put the flour in there and just binded it all together. I didn't mash the chickpeas or the lentils all the way down. If you want to, you can. You can use a food processor or in a way that you can mash all the way down. So now we're going to go to the skillet. All right. We're going to just wait till it just crispen and darken a little on each side. Since the veggies is already cooked, it doesn't have to be a long time. So just about 2 to 3 minutes on each side will do. All right, you see how that is golden and crispy and darkened a little bit. So I just flip it on the other side. All right, get into that. Wow, that looks great. Compared to the one that's not darkened. Then I just put it in there. Now it's time to layer everything. She just here. Look, put this one. Put the cucumber in there. Look, like that. All right, put the olives. And she, hey. All right, that's enough. All right, put the olives on there. Onions. All right, and we're just gonna top it like that. All right, and then you can add some avocados, mustard, or whatever sauce you want. But you see how watery the lettuce and the tomatoes, the onions, and the olives are? So no sauce needed. And I just cooked some fries with it, some diced potatoes. Yep, now let's dig in.